What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my fried rice. So let's get into it. So today I'm gonna use some veggies and some sausages as usual, as you can see here. And first thing, I'm gonna wash my rice. Usually I don't measure my rice, I just use my eyes to judge, and I love to use basmati rice because it cooks really fast. So hence the reason that I have this fast method of cooking my fried rice anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna add some oil into my pot. Please, you guys should subscribe so I can change this pot. It's been with me through thick and thin. Anyway, fry your rice. That's usually my very first step, and then add some curry powder. That kind of starts to change the color, if you get what I mean. So fry, don't let it burn. And then I usually use hot water anyway. I don't use like normal water. So I boil some water, and my veggies, including some prawns, I put in the microwave so that can start defrosting. Now my rice is already fried, and then I add some hot water so that it cooks faster. Like, who has time to waste? And then I add some black peppercorn. I usually love the vibe it gives my food anyway, so I usually love to add black peppercorn in my food. And then some thyme as usual, and then I add some pepper. As a Yoruba girl, don't judge me, but I love to have like a little bit of spice in my food, if you get what I mean. But this is like very minimal. And I'm adding some Maggi and some salt at your discretion, man. And then yeah, just leave that to boil. On the side, my veggies were already done defrosting, so I just start frying my sausages. I like to fry my sausages first actually, and then put that aside, and then fry the veggies as well, including the prawns. Fry all of that. Once that's done frying, just stir, and then I add some pepper. I love to give my rice a bit of color, if you get what I mean. And then add some salt, not too much. You need to be very careful here because it might oversalt the whole thing at the end of the day. So just very little, because you already added salt and Maggi to your rice, if you get what I mean. I'm adding some, I don't know what to call this. It's like grinded Maggi, but it doesn't have as much effect as the normal Maggi. So now my rice is done, as you can see, and then I'm just going to add all of my veggies, everything I showed you in the very beginning, into my rice. And you just want to stir as much as possible. Let it, let all the veggies go in every corner of the rice, you get what I mean. And you can see how my rice is like singled out. Like, this is what I love about how I cook my rice. It's not mushy, it's not gummy, like it's just perfect how I like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned one or two things, and yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you. See you. Bye.